Hello everyone and welcome back to Car Trend, the home of muscle car passion, cutting-edge performance, and stories that fuel every gearhead's dream. Today, we're bringing you something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod. This car is more than just a machine, it's the perfect marriage between vintage soul and modern engineering. When Chevrolet set out to create the Restomod edition of the legendary Camaro, they didn't just want to pay tribute to history, they wanted to redefine what the future of muscle could look like, and trust me, they've succeeded in every possible way. The first thing you notice when you see the 2026 Camaro Restomod is its stance. It proudly carries the DNA of the first-generation Camaro with that aggressive front fascia, bold lines, and muscular proportions that scream power. But the designers didn't stop at nostalgia. They sharpened every edge, reworked the aerodynamics, and added futuristic touches like slim LED matrix headlights, a sculpted carbon fiber hood, and a redesigned rear with sleek taillights that pay homage to the past while feeling fresh and modern. The 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in performance rubber complete the look, giving the Camaro Restomod a presence that demands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood is where things get really wild. Chevrolet has fitted this beast with a hand-built 6.2-liter LT4 supercharged V8 engine, delivering over 750 horsepower. The growl of this motor is pure music to any enthusiast's ears, a deep rumble that erupts into a roar when you floor it. Mated to an 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters or an optional 6-speed manual for purists, the Camaro Restomod delivers blistering acceleration while still offering full control. 0 to 60 comes in just over 3 seconds, and top speeds are enough to make even modern supercars nervous. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you feel with every heartbeat. Performance doesn't stop at power. Chevrolet equipped the 2026 Camaro Restomod with adaptive magnetic ride suspension, performance-tuned steering, and a track-ready braking system from Brembo. This means the car doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it handles corners with precision and confidence. Whether you're attacking mountain roads or cruising the highway, the car feels planted, agile, and endlessly capable. With multiple drive modes including Comfort, Sport, and Track, the Restomod adapts to your mood and driving style, making it as versatile as it is thrilling. Inside the cabin, the Camaro Restomod strikes a balance between retro charm and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard design pays tribute to the late 60s models but integrates a massive 12-inch digital driver display and a 14-inch touchscreen running Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and even real-time performance telemetry are all built in. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting make the cabin feel like a luxury lounge, while retro-inspired toggle switches and brushed aluminum trim remind you that this is still a driver's car at its core. Safety and convenience haven't been ignored either. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance all come standard, making this Restomod surprisingly easy to live with on a daily basis. Chevrolet has also added semi-autonomous highway driving technology, proving that a car rooted in muscle history can still embrace the demands of the modern world. What really sets the Camaro Restomod apart is the feeling it gives you. It's not just a car, it's an experience. It connects the golden era of muscle cars with today's relentless push toward performance and innovation. Every time you start the engine, you're reminded of where the Camaro came from, but as soon as you hit the gas, you see exactly where it's headed. It's a car that doesn't just live in the past or the present, it bridges them both, creating something truly unforgettable. That wraps up our deep dive into the Chevrolet Camaro Restomod 2026. If you're as impressed by this masterpiece as I am, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Car Trend so you never miss out on the hottest reviews, builds, and automotive stories that fuel the passion we all share. Stay tuned, because we've got even more legendary rides and future icons coming your way very soon.